back at it again, out on the skis. Don't really know if we're doing this right. We spin riding around, we get it. What's up, y'all? Happy new vlog. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Cachet, and today we are out here on the water with it, y'all. Got the skis out. Today is the 4th of July, so happy Independence Day. We are out on the skis today. We are out in Fort Lauderdale. That's what we're up to today. I am going to bring you guys along with us. I am just waiting on Jared to come back from parking the car, and then we are going to go ahead and take off. Show you some specs. I'm going to give you some details. We have a Sea-Doo Spark GTI. This is brand new. I'm assuming it has like 4.8 hours on it. And here's Jared. All right, checking with y'all in a bit.
Trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the dream. Now everybody now. 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're lying. I've been wandering all day. Try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to step back, but I'm burning. Come on. Down there.
Yeah. Woo! Hold on, y'all. Hold on.
That was scary. Guys, where the fuck? The wave came out of nowhere, man.
Literally, it got deep as shit. That was deep. That's deep.
Yeah.
You can feel the deepness in your soul. Like,
that was the ocean, y'all. That's the ocean. That was our furthest we went. We definitely went in it.
And we passed the buoy.
Past the buoy. Just you know, one day at a time, as far as we were comfortable going today. And it was scary.
Baby, live it at
Dre, come on.
What's up, y'all? We have been out here probably like an hour. Yep. Hour and a half, maybe. We spent riding around, we getting it. You feel me? Getting a little water break because you gotta stay hydrated. It's hot as hell, y'all.
Come on me, leave all of your things,
What's up, y'all? We pulled up to 5 o'clock somewhere bar across the street from Margaritaville in Dania Beach. And yeah, don't really know if we're doing this right, but as long as the jet ski don't float away, we gotta be good. We will check in with y'all in a bit.
Waves in my head, smoking weed. Been through the sand and the tears. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby.
Alright, y'all. This is Bree, this is me. Pit stop to have that rich person experience, you know what I'm saying?
You held on.
ski still here.
Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Homie, fly you out the beach. Full speed, so bullet belly, homie, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Homie, fly you out the beach. Full speed, sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce back in hidden deals. Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chilled. All because of how I kept it real. Like sleep, baby, on the G-Way. I'll get you anything you need, baby.
Y'all, we're done for the day. People are starting fireworks. As you can see, the sun is peeking down. The rule with jet skis is you're supposed to be, your time limit is 30 minutes after sunrise. 30 minutes before sunrise and 30 minutes before sunset. After sunset.
So if it gets dark, you got
30 minutes before sunrise, 30 minutes after sunset. We got it out. But alrighty, I will check in with y'all later. Happy new day, y'all. What is up? We are back at it again. Today it is just me and you on the water. We are at 79th Street drop off, and yeah, we're about to get it in. Let's go explore a little bit. It did get a little bit cloudy, so it might rain on us a little bit today. It did drizzle while we were dropping in the ski, but yeah, I'm super excited, kind of nervous, won't lie, I'm by myself, so we'll see how it goes. All right, check in with y'all in a bit. Which way shall we go? Left towards downtown or right towards not downtown? It's looking more like, I think I want to go left, but I think I want to start right a little bit and then go left. So we're starting right, then we're going left. I used to live in this building right here, so that's like, the bridges are my landmarks. Yeah, there's a couple boats coming, so I'm about to put this GoPro away and get to it. Toodles, y'all.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to. I want you to. I want you to. Change positions.
Alright, y'all, let me talk to you for a second. Say what's happening, right? So it's literally like a cloud. It's like 2 clouds of rain circling the city right now. And you can see right there, there's a rain cloud. Back there it's raining. So where I just came from don't look like it's raining currently. And and the way I was going, like I was getting smacked in the face with rain. So I think I'm gonna go back this way because I wasn't actively getting rained on. It just looked like it was about to rain. So yeah, I am about to go back that way, I guess. I really just need to sit right here for a second. Ain't even gonna hold you, but we about to figure something out.
You won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody,
Release the anger, release your mind, release your joy, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest. Release the anger, release your mind, release your joy, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release the love, forget the rest.
All right, y'all, so update. So this side now, I don't know if y'all can see, but back here, over there, it's raining now. And now I can clearly see downtown, so that means it's not raining anymore. So we are headed to downtown. I really want to go by Star Island today. I haven't been by Star Island yet on the jet skis. So yeah, that's where we're headed. So I've successfully, can't even get the words out. Successfully been getting rained on for the past like 10 minutes. It finally stopped. We made it to, this is the Biscayne Bridge. And this is going from Biscayne over to Alton Bridge. And we just came from that bridge way down there is 79th Street Bridge. So we are continuing to go forward. Like I said, downtown, it is not raining anymore. It's raining all behind us right now. So we're still headed to Star Island, and yeah, I'm trying to go find some people. There's like no people on the water today. I see a jet ski right now. They're by themselves, so, but they're headed the opposite direction. They don't know it's raining that way. But all right, hopefully we can find a friend on the water. If not, oh well. Talk to you in a bit. That we're at is the Venetian Bridge. So I don't know if y'all can see it. There's two bridges. There's one taller and then there's one shorter bridge. I'm looking for some dolphins today. I'm not gonna lie. I really want to see some dolphins. So yep, we're gonna see. Yesterday we saw some manatees. Hopefully I can find a dolphin or two today to follow alongside. And yeah, that's it. All right, we're going up under the bridges, y'all. One thing we've learned over the past 2 days is that you really got to pay attention to the signs in the ocean. There's a lot of like mile per hour changes, if you will. So basically it's like manatee zones and non-manatee zones. It goes between slow speed and no wake and idle speed and no wake at all. I think I'm saying that right. If not, y'all let me know in the comments. I'm new to this, so all my boater people, all my water gurus, y'all hit me up, let me know. And if you're visiting Miami and you want to rent a jet ski, please click the link in the description box and book your session. Book your session today. So, yep, we are coming upon the Venetian right now. This is the Venetian Bridge. As you can see, like I said, going from downtown all the way to Lincoln Road. You can see downtown is right there. If you see all those buildings, that is going to be downtown. Yep, talk to y'all in a bit. Alright y'all, so we're getting, turn the music down, Brie. So we're getting closer to Star Island. These are like, this is like rental property for water, I guess.
You said you want to tell it, you don't want to tell it. In between the sheets, you know I got you yelling. I can make this many songs, I'm a lady. When I haven't been her, but she on me head. On my cerebellum. If I say I love her, am I wrong? Am I crazy? Am I overzealous? But I know the feeling, and I'm never wrong. Swear that I've been gifted in a song. And a million, it's intoxicated. Get way on your head, like the alcohol. We can do like anything you want. I'm amazing, let it to my lady. I just want a pleasure, check my catalog. Could it be monogamy? Ain't meant for me. That's way too reckless. I'd get too jealous. Could you be from the east or overseas? I learned my lesson. I'm way too western. Could you be my favorite ethnicity? I'm just undressing all of these sections of my thoughts. Think it too hard. Think it too hard.
Alright y'all, so we made it to Star Island, finally, like we're finally here. Feel like we've been talking about it all day. So if you see this tan house right here, I'm gonna drive closer. There's some people like driving their jet ski, so I ain't trying to get too close. This house right here is the Viagra man's house. Yeah, yeah, I'm about to get a little bit closer, give you guys a little bit of a tour from what I can remember. There's a few people that have bought houses on Star Island. I've gone on a lot of tours, so that's the only reason I know where they live and which house is theirs. But yeah, I don't have a map currently, so I can't give y'all a full 360 of Star Island, but I'm gonna take you by this Viagra man house and I'm gonna take y'all by Diddy crib. So let's go be some hot girls.
I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This steps in heavy violin. Last minute pips to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you're sliding. Dip, 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 riding. Don't hesitate when you get it cause you know I like it. Making up a dick for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it.
This is all the Viagra man's property. So from the house, it was actually another side on the other side that he owns as well. He probably owned a good little third chunk of the island. Not even gonna hold you, like he owns a lot of it. All of this is still his. This is a greenhouse, all solar panels. And we headed to Diddy's crib, y'all. I want to say that this is J-Lo and Ben Affleck's house. Either this one or it's like up here. But I'm pretty sure it's this one right here. So, fun fact, y'all probably tired of seeing me, but fun fact, one time I was on a Miami boat tour and saw Diddy and Chris Brown sitting outside on his boat. So yeah, that was a cool like perk of a tour that we didn't pay for. So this is Diddy's crib, y'all, right here.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
So this Diddy crib that's playing the Diddy music. I'm weak. Y'all don't think I can go under this bridge? It looks so tiny. Come on. What I like to take, what I want to break. Hey Diddy, if you home, come outside. I don't think I want to go under there though. Like, that doesn't just seem... That don't seem fun to me. I don't know. I'm gonna see if this other jet ski pull up and go under there. I think he's really gonna go under it, so I guess I'll go under too. They going, so I'm gonna go too, y'all. It just looks so tiny. Okay, well, he went under it, no problems. Like, plenty of head clearance. Crib, I'm assuming. Okay, he turned up after he got under this bridge too, so let me put y'all in my pocket and drive through. Do y'all have a good vision right here? Like, is this a good seat or no? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm going under here. Okay, let me turn my drink back up. Turn my drink back on. Tripping with my life. Tripping with my life over some Drake. Hang on now, shawty. Get her life together. I saw someone go under here, so that means I can go, but man, it is freaking scary. God. Am I okay to go under here? Lord, okay, here we go. Y'all, this is so freaking scary. Like, what the hell? We made it! Here is the floating house in my way. Artup.com. South Beach. Alright y'all, so we're still playing Drake. We are headed down where you see like the nice houses and stuff across from like Live and Fountain Blue. Like, I'm going towards that direction. So I'm passing a lot of nice houses. Very, very nice. Very nice. There's literally nobody in this channel but me. If I didn't see boats and jet skis docked, then I would think that I'm not supposed to be here, but it's water, so I'm pretty sure that we're allowed to go wherever there is water. Not 100%, don't quote me. I am just out here getting burnt today. I forgot my sunscreen, but it's all good in the hood. Okay, they got graffiti on their wall over there. the right, I believe. I need to pull out the GPS real quick. GPS work on water just like they work on the land, y'all. So if you're in the water and your phone's not dead and you're still in luck, pull out your GPS and you'll know where you're going, hun. Okay, let's see. I think we're supposed to go down this way. All right, onward and upward. Talk to y'all in a bit.